In order to supplement your prioritized daily task list and/or your time blocking, an efficient use of available time will help you to manage your time and remain productive. You mostly know how much time you have available each day, but often additional time becomes available. Examples of additional available time include unexpected breaks. For example, if a class or meeting ends early. Travel time, if you are using public transportation. Waiting in line or for a class or meeting to begin. And waiting for an appointment. If you have your daily planner with you, you can refer to your prioritized daily task list or your time block schedule, and you will always know what task, responsibility, or obligation can be or should be started or accomplished during any available period of time. That way, you can use additional available time productively rather than squandering it on a time robber.